quick heads up video on the Spyderco Knife Center exclusive with the Dymondwood scales and the Rex 45 blade. I know there's not a lot of time. I meant to get this out sooner last night because the final drop's going to be this morning at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You know, the additional ones that they have is today. So $210. You know, there is a limited amount because they've already done a pre-order. That's how I got this. They didn't really advertise it on their site. You know, you have to follow social media, which I don't have. I just watch the Spyderco forums. So if you are interested, you do have a shot. It's about an hour, I think hour and a half, depending on when I post this video up this morning. You know, the Shaman specs here. There was a little controversy on this knife in the beginning because they were saying it was solid rosewood. They didn't really know. It's just Dymondwood, which is, you know, composite material comprised of multiple layers of wood veneer impregnated with resin, and it's just stained to resemble rosewood. I think it looks great. You know, it's different. And the nice part about having it being Dymondwood is it's not going to swell, you know, or change during heat. It shouldn't. You know, and to get solid rosewood, you would have, you know, $50, $60 more added to this knife, in my opinion. So, you know, typical Spyderco quality. It's great. So this is just to let you know that it's going. Once again, this morning, if you are interested in the Shaman or the Rex 45, there is a bunch coming down the line. I don't know if you've seen. There's a bunch of sprints of the Native Chief. You know, little native, they're going to have a Shaman with the burnt orange, all with the burnt orange like the last year's drop with the military, the paramilitary, and the para 3, very similar with all the other knives that they make. Manix 2, Manix lightweight. So, if you're interested and you don't already know about it and you see this video, great. You know, once again, it is kind of late. The Spyderco Shaman with Rex 45 with the Dymondwood, rosewood, stained scales.